guys, my name is Yulia Zakharova. I'm a professional photographer based in New York, and some days ago I bought this camera. It was my dream. It's Mamiya 645. It's medium format film camera, and today's video is not like tutorial video. It will be processing and results. I hope I will have results because it's my first time. So give me luck. Give me no. Wish me luck. Sorry, my English is not super perfect, but I have my husband. He's cameraman today, and it's my best photographer. So I love you. Okay, guys, we will start, and you will see processing and then results. So let's go, and don't forget, please subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. Okay, we did it. My first roll on Mamiya 645. I'm super excited, and I hope we did really great shots. So thank you for watching this video. Your support is likes, comments, subscribe. I really appreciate that. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.